You retained?
I am not, Judge.
You're appointed?
I am.
All right. Mr. Escobedo, is the court's understanding, based upon the council's motion to the withdrawal, you want to hire an attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you have 2 weeks to get an attorney. If not, this will be your attorney.
Yes, ma'am.
And you can speak to him or not speak to him. That's completely up to you. If you go to trial, you will go to trial with an attorney you have not spoken to. But he's been your attorney since April. So 2 weeks, you need to have your new attorney here if you're planning on hiring one.
In the opening moments of the hearing, a simple but crucial exchange sets the tone. The judge confirms whether Mr. Escavo is represented. "Are you retained?" she asks. "I am not, Judge," he replies. Appointed counsel steps up, but it's clear Escavo wants to hire his own lawyer. The court grants him 2 weeks. It's a warning: fail to act, and appointed counsel becomes permanent. The judge is firm but fair, reminding Escavo that time is running out. This is just the beginning of what turns into a tense courtroom sequence. Don't forget to subscribe to Judge Bench for more gripping court content.
Ms. Ferguson, I need a 2-week reset.
July 29th.
And state
Yes.
and defense, do you have all of the discovery?
Yes, Judge.
All right, if you can do an acknowledgement of discovery for me, the system's down.
It is.
So it's down. Were you able to tender an offer?
Not today.
The courtroom tension rises as the judge informs Escavo of the stakes. He's told plainly, whether he speaks to his current attorney or not. That attorney has been on the case since April. Trial is approaching, and if Escavo fails to act, he'll face it with a stranger at his side. The next hearing is scheduled for July 29th. Both the state and defense confirm they have all discovery materials. But with the court system down, there's an unusual delay in offering a plea deal. The clock is ticking, and Escavo's future depends on what happens next.
But I can get one.
All right. All right, so if you'll tender an offer today, and July 29th will also be your plea deadline date. All right, once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
Okay.
All right, and they will give you an offer, counsel.
Despite the system malfunction, the judge pushes the case forward. Tender an offer today. She instructs, making it clear. The plea deadline is locked in for July 29th. No excuses. Once that form is signed, Escavo is excused from court, but not from responsibility. His lawyer is instructed to provide an offer immediately. Time is running short, and each moment missed could change the outcome of the case. The plea deal may be Escavo's last chance to avoid trial. What he does with this opportunity could determine everything.
And Mr. Escobedo, you need to be on time for court next time. Do you understand? All right. Let me just tell you, the other courtroom you were in, was it a district court? All right.
Just a minute and 37 seconds later, Mr. Escavo is called out again, this time for his tardiness. The judge doesn't let it slide. "You need to be on time for court," she tells him bluntly. He nods, but the judge digs deeper, questioning whether he was even in the right courtroom. This brief exchange shows how small missteps, like being late, can have bigger consequences in the justice system. In court, every second matters, and being in the wrong place at the wrong time could send the wrong message.
Sylvia Noriega. Who's the attorney for Sylvia Noriega?
It's Mr. Glitter.
All right, why are you winking at me?
A surprising shift in tone brings us to a new case. The judge calls up Sylvia, Noriega's attorney, Mr. Twitter. What begins with a standard introduction takes a bizarre turn. Why are you winking at me? The judge asks, clearly uncomfortable. Her tone is sharp. The courtroom isn't a place for gestures like that, and she's not having it. We are not on that level, she states. There's no tolerance for behavior that undermines the courtroom's decorum. What seemed like an offhand wink suddenly turns into a moment of reckoning.
You winked from the side.
Wait, good for me.
Here's the thing. Here's the thing. We are not on that level. So don't come at me. Do not come at me on that level. We're not on that level.
Quiet.
All right. You want to take him?
Take him.
Yeah.
The atmosphere shifts from awkward to intense. The judge locks eyes with Mr. Twitter and delivers a clear message. Do not come at her with inappropriate behavior. She repeats herself for emphasis. We are not on that level. Then, silence breaks. Quiet, she commands, as control of the courtroom is reasserted. Without hesitation, she instructs the bailiff, take him. It's a dramatic escalation, showing the courtroom's zero-tolerance stance on disrespect. One small action, one wink, has now spiraled into serious consequences. Respect isn't optional here. It's the law of the room.
All right. I don't understand. Why are people winking at me? We're not on that level. All right. Sylvia Noriega? Yes.
This was a motion to adjudicate that you sent a couple of weeks ago.
Mhm.
We said
The judge still can't shake her disbelief. Why are people winking at me? She asks again, visibly frustrated. We are not on that level. Her words echo through the courtroom. Then, returning to the docket, she calls Sylvia Noriega's case. It's a motion to adjudicate filed just weeks earlier. The contrast between moments is striking. From courtroom decorum being challenged to a return to formal proceedings. It's a reminder that court is serious business, and personal antics have no place. Every case, every moment, matters here on Judge Bench. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more real courtroom drama.